scare table was built by one of our superstar volunteers, Gary Fuji. During the week before opening, we had a number of volunteers come help us get the museum ready.
Is that low or medium or?
I don't know. That's cool. Oh, it's 3 dots.
Okay.
So I could make it a little lower.
Yeah, we're overflowing now. Right there. Good. It's not spilling out.
I'm gonna go down to 1 dot.
Yeah. We got a little bit right here.
Nani!
What's happening over here?
Yeah, she had some extra rocks.
Yeah, I just don't want them getting in the drains. Put them in the bin right here.
Nani!
We have flow. It's awesome. Oh, it's so sweaty now. You're gonna just pull up one end.
Nani! You gotta see this!
Wow! Wow! Cool! Look at it's so wet! Cool!
Sorry, we piled your rocks into the fish pond because we didn't want them floating away right away.
Wow!
Oh, Darren, your hose is leaking now.
Wow! That is something else, you know? So cool!
You know, it is literally one of a kind. There is nothing like this on the planet.
Look at that! That's sick, Dana! Fist bump!
I'm Malia, and my favorite thing about this school, Holo Holo A'o, is probably how we can go around and help everyone and basically hopefully change some people's lives. Like, we went over to a garden who feeds everyone and gives food away for free, and I'm really excited we could do that for them. And right now I'm working on crispening up the moons and working on this whole thing.
So what are you doing exactly with the moon?
Well, this moon represents the Hawaiian moon calendar, and so certain moons mean you can fish on this day, you shouldn't on this day. This day, like, is perfect to surf this day. It basically represents every different thing.
I'm making it so that moons stand out more than the background. It makes a cool, like, texture effect. The brush. It's called blotching, or like. What is it? Oh, they're filming right now. Cool.
Well, my teacher did the outline, and then I was just dabbing with the rag right now.
What does that do?
It kind of makes like a cool texture for the leaves. But this one, you see how it has like a lot of lines on it, and then it doesn't look that. When you dab it with this, it makes it have like a little pop.
I'm painting a baby sapling koa tree, I think.
Yeah. So what happened? Your teacher did this white part?
Yeah, he did a chalk outline, and now I'm just going over it in paint. Starting to make the layout for the branches. I made a tree yesterday, and I made a fern, no, not a fern, a bush thing. And I've done a bit of the sky and some texturing on other trees.
Awesome.
It's called peaty grass.
Awesome.